What's up guys, Mark from DSGenie here, and I just want to answer a question. This is a question I saw in the Honest Dropshippers group. Those of you guys who don't know what the Honest Dropshippers group is, it is, what the fuck is that? It is a group on Facebook where we talk about dropshipping openly. I have a link in the description, right? Again, if you guys are here to learn about dropshipping, eBay, Amazon, or Shopify, subscribe to my fucking channel, because this is where you need to be. If you don't subscribe, in 2018, the YouTube fairies are going to come to your fucking house, rotten one of your teeth, and it's going to fall out. So if you want to keep a nice smile like mine, you're going to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, so, what was I saying? Yeah, how long it took to be full-time on eBay dropshipping. And is, Nelson, Preston is aquí or no? So it took me 2 months to be full-time eBay dropshipping. What do I mean by full-time? I mean how long it took for me to get to making about $2,000 a month. It took a little over 2 months the first time, right? Okay, let's start. I was looking for Preston or Becky. Maybe I'll ask them later how long it took them to be full-time. Now, it took me about 2 months to get to making $2,000 or $3,000, like $2,000 a month, a little over 2 months. And I've been able to build 6 accounts so far from zero to making about $10,000 a month in a 6-month period, right? Now this is not, I want to talk about why it took me 2 months, what I had to do and that type of stuff. When I first started dropship, I had no fucking money. It took me a while to make my first sale and I made $3. And then I just wanted to duplicate that, right? And I did nothing else. I sat down, I woke up in the morning, I sat down, tried to figure out a list, try therapy, try everything, list manually, see what other people are listing, try to be profitable all day, till night, till like 12, 1, 2, 3 in the morning. So I spent maybe like the first 3 weeks to a month trying to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. I was getting a couple sales, but I didn't systemize how I chose what to sell, what I want to sell, all that type of stuff, right? I just didn't. You guys have it a lot easier. Well, I don't know if you have it a lot easier. Let me explain why. When I first started, there weren't a ton of fucking idiots like myself on YouTube trying to tell you how to dropship on any platform, right? There was no one. There was this auto dude, and he even came after, right? I was part of DS Domination. So we are using, even before I got into DS Domination, someone just told me about this whole dropshipping thing. I had no money to pay for any of these courses. So I was trying to figure out, when I made a couple bucks, I paid for Elite Dropshippers. That's another one, I think they closed down. And when I made a couple more bucks, I paid for DS Domination, right? But I was trying to say why. I was saying it's easier for you guys, but it may not be, and I'll say why. So the challenge I had was I had to figure out what to do, what I do on a daily basis, how I find items to sell, why did this one item sell, how do I do it over again, how do I find other items to sell, how do I price it? Like, I was trying to figure all this out myself. And this is how I decided to snipe, because my idea was like, if I find a dropshipper and he is selling $20,000, I'm telling you my honest to God thought process. If I find a dropshipper who's selling $20,000 a month and I copy all his fucking listings, at least 10% would sell. So if I could copy 100 of these motherfuckers, I should pass at $20,000. So if I basically find 100 dropshippers who are selling $20,000 a month and list everything all those guys list, I should make more than $20,000. That was my honest to God thought process. And when I was doing that, then I got into the other things, right? I had to find a systematic, logical way of building my eBay business. The challenges that you guys have now is that everybody and their grandmother, maybe not grandmothers, but every fucking body is trying to teach you how to dropship and then sell you on some bullshit. So I was thinking about it, and my first thought was like I had to figure this shit out, and these guys don't have to figure shit out. So they have it easier. But The internet is full of a lot of bullshit now, so that's why I try to keep all the bullshit. Anyway, so the truth is, if you guys take my free course, if you guys follow one strategy of eBay dropshipping, it should not, and you don't, and remember, I was doing this full-time, but I had to figure my process out. Most of you guys may be doing it part-time, but a lot of us, well, not a lot, but a few of us on YouTube are giving you a real process to fucking dropship, right? So 2 months is what I think. Like, it depends on the dedication. Like, I don't want to say how much time you should get to full time, but it shouldn't take you more than about a week most of the time to get your first sale. Once you decide if you're doing optimization, or if you're doing optimization, a little more tricky because you may not be good at optimizing, and it'll take you a while to figure that out. But if you could get your first sale within like a week or two, that's a good sign, and it's just about duplicating that and not changing paths. If you get a taste of success, if you make $1, try to figure out how to duplicate that. So I know guys who've joined DStream. DStream is a software that we've made to speed up the process of sniping and building an eBay business. There are guys who've taken a day to make their first sale and like a month or 6 weeks to go full time. There are guys who've been doing it part time, and like Oliver, he's part time for over a year. He makes between $1,000 and $2,000 a month. The guys who took them 6 months to go full time, right? So it all depends, but it is definitely a possibility. It took me 2 months, and I think it'll take me about a month. If I start from scratch now on eBay.com, it'll take me about a month to go from zero to making $2,000 a month. But I'm a boss. Like, I have a lot of experience, right? So hopefully you guys kind of get it. Hopefully you guys get some information from that. Love you guys, travel well. If you have any other questions, put it in the comment section. Also, look in the description. I have a free eBay course. I should make a website called eBay. I have a free eBay course. It's 1 hour long. It wouldn't take long. Link in the description. There's also a link to the Honest Dropshippers group in the description. Love you guys. Travel well and make that money. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.